Now, a linear expression is an algebraic expression where the exponents of each of the variables is 1. So let's say we have negative 4x. That's a linear expression. 3x plus 5y. That's a linear expression. 5 minus 1/6 times x. That's a linear expression. The exponent of each variable is 1. So if we had, for example, 1/2 x to the power of 2, this is not a linear expression because our exponent is not 1, it's 2. If we had negative 7x3 plus x, this is not a linear expression because our exponent here is 3 and not 1. Let's look at some examples of how to add these linear expressions. Let's say we have x minus 2 plus 3x plus 8. Now, we're going to use a vertical method first and then a horizontal method. A vertical method is going to look like our traditional adding when we stack our terms. So we're going to stack these terms and see what we do. So we have x minus 2, and we are adding 3x plus 8. So just like that, we're stacking them. And this is kind of looking like our traditional adding. Now, negative 2 plus 8 is 6, and x plus 3x is 4x. This is positive. So our answer is 4x plus 6. Now, what about using a horizontal method? I'm going to just put a line here. Well, we can do it that way too. So let's just rewrite this. X minus 2 plus 3x plus 8. Now, this is going to look like grouping our like terms and simplifying, just like we did in the last video. So let's see here. We want to rewrite this as a sum of our terms. So we're going to go x plus negative 2 plus 3x plus 8. Now we need to group our like terms. So remember, we have these like terms that have the same variable. So x and 3x together, they make 4x. And we have negative 2 and 8. Those are like terms, those constant terms. And that equals positive 6. So you see, we get the same answer whichever way we do it. Let's do another example. Let's add negative 4y plus 3 plus 11y minus 5. Now, I typically prefer the horizontal method. So I'm going to rewrite these terms, and we're going to go negative 4y plus 3. We're going to rewrite it as a sum, just a reminder, plus negative 5. Okay. Now we just need to group our like terms. So let's see here. We have negative 4y, we have 11y, and we have 3, and we have negative 5. So let's group those together. Negative 4y plus 11y is 7y, positive 7y. And negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So we're left with 7y minus 2.